Alright, for today's thrift report, I probably shouldn't have bought any of this, but I've always wanted an airbrush. And this thing, I tested it. It's got no brand name on it, but it's super quiet. Goes up to about 60 psi. It seems like that's probably the limit of it. It's got the little hose on it. It's got a suction cup on the feet. And then they separated everything out. I guess there was another airbrush. So this is what they call a dual action. You pull it back, push down for air, pull back. What it does is it pulls the needle back. You literally can just go. So there's a cover for the cup, but it doesn't really screw in. It's just like it sets in there. But it feels nice. It's got a good weight to it. But I don't know if it's a good brand or not. So, a little tool here. Very cheesy. And then one of these in case you need that. You can attach to it and just put any kind of generic hose on it. And then I guess this is a measuring device. Not really sure. But I figured, well, basically, when I looked at these when I used to work at the tattoo shop and I wanted to get into airbrushing, because one of the guys there was, they would have been like $150 for like the cheapest one. So that's kind of why I bought that. And then, of course, an inner tube for 26-inch tire, $1.49, kind of hard to beat that. And a slime air compressor. We need at least a couple of these in every vehicle. I don't mean a couple in every vehicle, but we need a couple of these to put these in every vehicle. And these, you can usually only use them so many times before they start to get weak. But for $3, it's got all the stuff. I think these are like 40 or 50 bucks, like right now at Walmart. But I probably shouldn't have bought any of this stuff. What I really found that was cool was a laptop in a case. I guess a leather case at that. You can't read anything on it. I don't know if it works. It's called an Acer Aspire 1. Acer always puts their stuff upside down on the back.